Hello, here we are again making UNO costume representing Finland. So please keep on watching. Before we start the DIY video, please allow me to thank our 4,000 subscribers! Hey everyone, welcome to Crafts and Kids! I am showing this in 4 parts according to how the costume is made. First part, as usual, I made a circle skirt. Please check the description box for the link. This circle skirt is different from the previous ones I made because I cut an opening for the zipper. Actually, I was not the one who attached the zipper because this is an invisible type and it's still a struggle for me. If you've been watching my videos for a long time now, you'll know that I am not pro at sewing and I learn as I go along the process. My initial goal was to create a costume without sewing, but I was short with fabric so I had to attach a zipper and there's no need to cut a bigger hole for the waist. Since this was supposedly a no-sew project, I finished the hems of the skirt with satin ribbons. Fold and glue the hems of the main skirt, then glue the satin ribbons on top of it. I am using this E7000 fabric glue, which I highly recommend because the adhesion is very strong. The costumes I made for my daughter always include a circle skirt because that's what she wants, a princess look and feel, and of course it's easy to make. I bought 5 meters of these satin ribbons and luckily they were just enough for the whole skirt. Phew. It's time to design the circle skirt with any embellishments we have. Honestly, I don't know what these things are called. As long as they're nice and matches the color motif of this costume, then proceed. Why blue and white? Because these are the colors of the Finland flag. Here's a sewing hack that I've been doing a lot of times already. Most of the costumes I did are made like this. I just bought a fabric with intricate patterns like this and cut it out. This one cost 415 pesos for 1 meter, but it's a cost saver rather than buying one lace applique for 130 pesos plus or something. This may be a tedious task for anyone, but for me, I find it satisfying. Check out my DIY costumes playlist to see where else I applied this hack. You may notice that my United Nations inspired costumes are made with extra designs, hence the circle skirts and headdresses. Please watch till the end for the headdress. For the waist, I also glued the fabric inwards, then glue another circle fabric and form it in such a way that a strap can go through to tighten the skirt around the waist. You can use either an elastic band, ribbon, or like this, I just use this strap from another costume. The second part is the corset. Finland's traditional costume includes a corset bodice, so we are making one. Cut the fabric in 3 like shown. Finish the edges by folding them inwards, then glue. For the holes, I used eyelets for the strap to go through. Please check the description box for the link on how to use the eyelet puncher tool. I didn't sew the straps at the shoulders, so this corset top is adjustable. If you have a pin like this, lucky you, but I only have one, so I improvised using a regular type of safety pin and beads. I have this white lace dress bought from a thrift store. I like the way it has a flowy and overscaled stuff around the arm cause it matches with the vintage look and feel. The dress with puff sleeves is very nice too. By the way, I am an extra petite mom of two, so my dresses fit my daughter. If you are my subscriber, which I really hope you are, you remember these headdress and arm accessories. I just added faux flowers in royal blue color to match the costume theme. Please check the description box for the links. And here's the costume reveal! That's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye, nurse.